Hi everyone, I am Prasidh. In this video, I will show you why Sysmon is one of the most powerful tool you can have in your cybersecurity toolkit. Let's get started. When a security incident happens, just knowing that something went wrong isn't enough. We need to understand what, how, and when something happened. Windows does log events, but they are not detailed enough. That's where Sysmon comes in. It gives us deep, detailed insights. What is Sysmon? Sysmon stands for System Monitor. It's a free tool by Microsoft that runs in background and logs system activity. Things like when a program runs, when a file is created, or when the system connects to a network. This means it's perfect for detecting suspicious behavior or investigating attacks. Why use Sysmon? Sysmon is like a CCTV for your computer. It shows you what's happening behind the scenes, things that normal logs might miss. With Sysmon, we can detect malware, track persistent threats, and respond to incidents much faster. Installing Sysmon. Installing Sysmon is very simple. First, download it from Microsoft Sysinternals page, then extract a zip file, then open the command prompt as administrator, navigate to the extracted directory, and run this command. This command will install the Sysmon by accepting all the terms and conditions. And that's it. It will start logging automatically. The default configuration logs a lot of information, sometimes too much. To reduce the noise, we use a custom config file. SwiftOnSecurity has a great one on GitHub that's trusted by the community. You can apply it using this command. Once installed, we need to check if it's working. Open Event Viewer, go to Applications and Security Logs, then go to Microsoft, then Windows, Sysmon, and Operational. Now open something simple like Notepad and you see Event ID 1, which logs the process creation. That means it's working. Sysmon logs events using Event IDs. Each ID tells us something different. Event ID 1, when a process is created. Event ID 3, when a network connection is made. Event ID 11, when a file is created. Event ID 23, when a file is deleted and saved. These help us understand what's happening on the system in detail. If you are threat hunting, Sysmon is extremely helpful. You can detect things like PowerShell running, strange scripts, unknown files being executed, or large number of files being modified. These are strong indicators of compromise. During an incident, Sysmon helps you understand the full attack chain. You can trace the attacker's steps from initial entry to what files they access to how they move around in your network. This helps you respond quickly and effectively. After an incident, forensic investigators use Sysmon to study what really happened. It shows how the malware behaved, how it got in, and even what data it tried to access. Event ID 23 can even help recover deleted files for analysis. In bigger environments, we can send Sysmon logs to a SIEM tool like Splunk, ELK, or Wazuh. These tools help us analyze logs from many systems, detect patterns, and generate alerts when something suspicious happens. To sum up, Sysmon is a lightweight but powerful tool. It helps detect attacks, investigate them, and even recover from them. If you are learning cybersecurity or working on the blue team, Sysmon is a must know.